Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing October's beauty boxes that I received. One of the boxes came kind of late, which is why this video is kind of late. I do apologize, but I do hope you enjoy this video. So let's get into it. Oh, and before I do, I did want to mention to you guys, if you participated in my last giveaway, somebody was spamming my accounts telling everybody they won when that's not even how I announced the winner. So please be aware of that. I do apologize if somebody spammed you and you thought you won, but know that I always contact the person that won directly by email, and I never announce the winner until after, you know, that person has confirmed they received the email and, you know, are getting it. So you know, I apologize. I'm sorry for those who read that and got excited. That is not cool. Anyways, let's get into the boxes. The first box I got right here is Allure. I used to get these beauty boxes like 2 years ago, and they used to have like plastic bags that came in it, and I didn't like the plastic bags because they broke really easy. But anyways, they've done a lot of changing since then, so let's get into it. It is a lot different than I used to get, but that's what it looks like when you open it. And this is my first box with them, with my new sign up. So I also got a couple extra products, and I'll show you that too. As always, I will put the price of the subscription on the screen, as well as links down below if you choose to subscribe. Yeah, those were the words I was looking for. Okay, so the first thing we got is Flower and Bee. I guess that's right, Flower and Bee hydrating serum. I do love my serums, but this is the box right here, and this retails for $34. And let's see what the bottle looks like here. And I actually prefer the slightly yellow or brown tinted bottles over the clear ones, for the simple fact it helps protect your product from light, and believe it or not, light can drastically alter the product that you have, so I'm actually for that. Alright, the next product we have is Belif Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Cream. Now this looks like a deluxe sample size. I'm not going to try to figure out what the deluxe sample sizes are, because that involves math and I don't really want to do that. So if you were to purchase the full size cost $43, and it's for 1.69 ounces. This here is only 0.33 ounces, so it is a drastically size difference, but this is enough for you to really decide if you like the product or not. Okay, the next thing we got is Saturday Skin Bright Eye Cream. That is the box. Now this is full size, and this retails for $32. Saturday Skin is a K-beauty brand. I absolutely love K-beauty brands, especially when it comes to skincare. They have some of the best skincare, and I am not just saying that. So here is what our little container looks like. Alright, the next thing we got is Fiori, I think I'm saying this right, and Hidden Waterfall Musk Scent Shampoo and Conditioner Bar. That is the box. And I guess this is a sample size, I'm not really sure, but it says for the bundle retails for $33. So I don't know if it's this or if it's bigger, I don't really know, but I really think this is adorable. And look how tiny these bars are. I think shampoo bars are super great for traveling, or, you know, just to have around. They do last longer, and this smells really, really good. So I'm going to stick that back in the box. Probably will use it. Alright, the next thing we got is from True and Luscious. This is a brow defining pencil. This of course is full size, which retails for $22. And this is in shade Brunette, which is sort of my natural color, but I think I'm going to give this a try. I don't normally use pencils, but sometimes I do. Sometimes they turn out better than I thought. So I'm probably going to try this out just to see how I feel about it. Alright, the next thing we got is a sample size of Sephora Collection Big. And this is a defining mascara. The full size, I guess, retails for $12. That's what it looks like. I don't really need samples, so this is going to go into a giveaway. I mean, I got plenty of full size, so let somebody else enjoy it. Alright, the next thing we got is Dongingbi. I don't know if I said that right. This is a Daily Defense essence. I'm thinking this might be a sample size. Yeah, it's a sample size, deluxe sample size. That's the box. The full size retails for $66 and is 30 ml. This is only 5, so that's a significant size difference. And here is the sample size. I might actually keep this for traveling because I think that's a perfect size for traveling. Alright, so this is Brighten Up Exfoliator, Face Rejuvenator. And I do like my exfoliators. I think this is a sample size as well, because usually they have 3 full size and 3 sample size. This is the full size retails for $34, and this is only 0.71 ounces, and the full size is 4.23 ounces. Alright, so the next item I have is actually part of the sign-on bonus. The last 2 items I have here, which I wasn't sure what they are, but now that I've gone through the month products, I know what they are. So let's look at it. The first one is Kaija Beauty Bento, and this is 3 trio eyeshadows. I actually kind of wanted this. I wanted to try it, but like, I have tons of palettes with these colors, but with it being like an add-on bonus kind of thing, it gave me an excuse to try it, so I'm thrilled about that. It is another K-Beauty brand, and do love that. So let's go ahead and look at the bento box. That is what it looks like. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this. You got your dark color you use for your crease, which is matte. You got this color here, which is also kind of a matte, and a nice beautiful shimmer to go on top. And right here is a mirror. I'm going to go ahead and swatch those. These are the colors swatched. They did feel very silky and creamy to the touch, so I'm excited to be using this. And the last product that was in that box is a Retinol Peptides Repair Night Cream. And if you don't use a night cream, you really need to. They help reduce signs of aging, you know, the usual. So this is what the box is. This is, I'm trying to see the brand, Allies of Skin. And this is the tube. Not opening it yet because I'm in the middle of using a different night cream. But yes, I swear by night creams, I think they're wonderful. Alright, the next beauty box we are moving on to is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That is this right here. Price should be on the screen for you as well. And let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, the first thing we got here from Ipsy is a Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I really like this brand, and it's really good. I really enjoy this and recommend this one. If you haven't tried it before, it's good. I already have hand creams open, so I'm not opening this one yet. Alright, I have Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. I have not used a mascara. I'm kind of curious about it. This is the box. And I will show you the tube, even though I'm not opening it yet. It is their classic tube right here. Alright, the next thing we have is Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. This is actually a really good color for me. It's uncuffed. I've been wanting to try these paints before. Do you see the color right there? That is the container, or box. I guess it's a box. Beautiful packaging as always with Fenty. I have not seen any packaging for any other products I did not like, and this is no exception. So this is what the tip looks like. I don't know if you can see it. I think that is kind of cool looking, honestly. You can see the extra product right at the tip. And here is our swatch. This is an absolutely beautiful and stunning color. Look how creamy that is. Alright, the next thing we got is a bronzer duo. I don't really use bronzers very much. Sometimes I do, but I don't, because I find that with my skin color, it doesn't look right. I kind of look more dirty than I do bronzed or contoured in regular lighting. So I'm going to pass on this product and put it into my next large giveaway. This is what it looks like. And the last thing I got here in the Ipsy bag is Lime Crime Sun Kissed Glimmering Skin Stick in Baton, whatever. So I may or may not like this. If this is an indicator of the color, I will be fine. It says title. This is the box. But let's go ahead and see if it's good for my skin. This is the packaging itself. I kind of like that. I think that's good for on the go. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fine because I'm looking at it next to my skin color, and yeah, if I can get the product to come up. Okay, so to me it's almost like a deodorant stick the way they have that. I think that's nice. I see it on my hand. It's a very pretty shimmery color. You can kind of see some of the lip paint still on my hand, but this is really, really pretty. Alright, the last box that we have is BoxyCharm, and of course the price should be on the screen for you. So BoxyCharm's theme is usually on their card that has the products on the other side with the pricing and a little description about it, but we're going to go ahead and get into it. The first product I am pulling out is Stuck On You Base by the Beauty Core, and it retails for $18. I don't think I've tried their primer before, so I will be trying this out. Okay, next we have Earth Harbor Naturals Celestian Hydra Plumping Peptide Serum that retails for $45. This is a product. This is interesting looking. This almost looks creamy, but it is this really pretty blue looking solution right here. Alright, so the next thing we got is Flower and Bee Eyes Baby. This is an eye cream. You guys know I like this eye cream. This is $26 right here. Okay, so this is what our eye cream container looks like. Again, I do like these brown shade bottles because it does protect the natural healing products in the product. And we'll move on to the next product. Okay, so the next thing we have is Toy Factory Super Set Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray, and this retails for $24. I actually was running low on setting spray, so I am very happy about that. Needing. Alright, this is what the bottle for the setting spray looks like. I really like it. It is a plastic, but it is a hard plastic, and it is a very, very chic, sleek design. Alright, the last product in the BoxyCharm is a Natasha De Nona Cupid Cheek Check Duo. Their packaging is never really super fancy, but their quality is super amazing. So there is the container itself. And I do like this. It looks like this one's a cream and this one's a powder. It is. Oh, this is very very moist, but there is the cream. You can't really see it. It's just a really, really sheer blush color. And this other, it is powder, but it has almost a cream texture to it. And that would be more of a highlight. I definitely think I'm going to be getting some use out of this. This is really, really pretty. But that is it of my beauty boxes for October. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of these boxes and products down below. If you like more content, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.